Click the annotation on the screen if you missed last week's To Kill a YouTuber, which was Sky Does Minecraft. And there is your feature presentation! Hey, welcome to Waco Bell. What'll it be? Sir, what are you gonna have? Okay, if you're not gonna order, I'm gonna have to ask you to leave.
Hey, wait a sec. Steve, that's the guy! The guy! You know, the one who does the videos with the subtitles?
You mean like reading?
Yeah.
Not today. Not on my watch! You come into my restaurant expecting me to do the impossible? Don't you know I can't read? I never could! It looks like your life has reached the end of the chapter! Wow, that was far more violent than I expected. Oh, ooh, gross!